Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share SPSC Town Officer Solved paper that was held today on 23rd May 2023. I will share paper type B. You may check your answers as per the paper type. Question number 1. The synonym of VITUPERATE is abuse. Question number 2. The synonym of precarious is perilous. Question number 3. The synonym of snollygoster is unprincipled person. But in the options there is unprincipled politician. Question number 4. The synonym of cajole is flattery. Question number 5. The antonyms of doleful is, and the right answer is vivacious. Question number 6. The antonyms of quiescent is active. Question number 7. The antonyms of ostentatious is pretend. Question number 8. The antonyms of gorgeous is desperate. Question number 9. The idiom the pet cold feet means to be afraid. Question number 10. The idiom a fool's errand means an impossible task. Please like this video. If you find any question incorrect, comment us. Question number 11. What does a thermostat do? And the right option is regulates temperature. Question number 12. Which country in Europe is nowhere higher than 570 feet above sea level? And the right option is Denmark. Question number 13. What is the primary hindrance in exports faced by Pakistan? And the right option is lack of investment. Question number 14. What is the common name of the condition of myopia? And the right option is short-sightedness. Question number 15. While going towards the center of the earth, the weight of the body shall decrease. Question number 16. Full name of Hazrat Shahbaz Qalandar was Hazrat Usman Marwandi. Question number 17. What percentage of foreign remittances came from Saudi Arabia and Gulf countries? And the right option is 54%. Question number 18. Third coal deposits known to be the world's second largest. Question number 19. How is Pakistan's economy rated as currently? And the right option is developing. Question number 20. What is meant by V.T.I, Virtual Training Institute? Question number 21. The name of Lebanon Parliament is Majlis-e-Nawab. Question number 22. The War of Independence of America was fought against Britain. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and also share it with your friends. Question number 23. G15 is an economic group of developing countries. Question number 24. Cathay Pacific is an airline of Hong Kong. In upcoming videos, I will share airlines of the world most repeated questions. Question number 25. Which country is called buffer of Asia? And the right option is Afghanistan. Question number 26. Golan Heights belongs to Syria. Question number 27. The oldest monarchy in the world is Japan. Question number 28. Which is the greatest archipelago in the globe? And the right option is Indonesia. Question number 29. Interpol has its headquarter in Lyon. I have uploaded videos regarding international organizations. You may watch in I button. Question number 30. The Indus Valley civilization flourished during 2500 to 1500 BC. Question number 31. Which is the greenhouse gas among the following? And the right option is all of these. Question number 32. Which one is not a vestigial organ of the human body? And the right option is eyelids. Question number 33. Work of pituitary glands in human body is control several other hormone glands. I have uploaded mock exams for town officer and municipal officer. Watch these videos in town officer playlist on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. Question number 34. During winter in cold countries, the dash is mixed to melt the ice on the icy road. And the right option is salt. Question number 35. The lifespan of white blood cells is 5 to 21 days. Question number 36. Who bought Bitcoin for $1.5 billion worth? And the right option is Tesla. Question number 37. Dash become the first country in the world to start administrating its citizens with a fully trialed and tested COVID-19 vaccination. And the right option is United Kingdom. Question number 38. The World Wide Web was invented by, and the right option is Tim Berners-Lee. Question number 39. Which country is also called the land of midnight sun? And the right option is Norway. And Japan is also called the land of rising sun. Question number 40. Jeju Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located in South Korea. Question number 41. Antonio Guterres is Secretary General of United Nations, belongs to Portugal, and he was 9th Secretary General. Question number 42. Name the third Prime Minister of Pakistan. Muhammad Ali Bogra. Question number 43. What is the contribution of agriculture to GDP of Pakistan? And the right option is 23%. Question number 44. Who will host the 2026 Football World Cup? And the right option is Canada, United States of America, and Mexico. Question number 45. Name the hardest part of human body. And the right option is animal of teeth. Question number 46. Study of development of human race is known as anthropology. Question number 47. What are the celestial bodies? Pallas, Juno, and Vesta, and the right option is asteroids. Question number 48. How much percentage of world's population lives in Asia? And the right option is 57%. Question number 49. What was Maulana Ubaldullah Sindhi's name before the converted to Islam? And the right option is Butta Singh Opal. Question number 50. Which number system uses only the digits 0 and 1? And the right option is binary. Subscribe to the Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.